Good day everyone, I'm here to show you how to install Ubuntu Linux into a virtual machine. But first is you need to download the Ubuntu latest version into their official link, which is ubuntu.com. Click download 24.04 LTS and also download the VirtualBox for the installation of Ubuntu. If you're using a Windows host, click here, and also for Mac OS installation. At this point, I already downloaded the Ubuntu and VirtualBox. At this point, we can now start the installation of Ubuntu Linux into our virtual machine. First is you need to open your virtual machine or VirtualBox for the installation of Ubuntu Linux.
If you already opened it, you can click New and input the name, which is I used Ubuntu 24.04. Then for type, I select Linux, and for version Ubuntu 64-bit. And here you can modify virtual machine's hardware by changing the base memory and the processor. Here, for the base memory, I will select 3024 or 3024 MB, and for the processor, I select 2 and then click next. So here at the virtual hard disk, for the disk size, I select 49.27 GB and then click next. And here for the summary, you can see here the summary of configuration you have chosen the previous um, for the new virtual machine. And then click next, and you can see here the summarization of your chosen selection. And before we start, you, we will change also the settings. And for the general, click you can here in basic you can see the name, type, and the version. And for advanced, select the shared clipboard and drag and drop for bidirectional. And then next, system, you can see here the motherboard, which is I already select the base memory, and then unclick the floppy. And then for processor, processor selected 2, and then execution cap, and click enable display. For the display screen, video memory, and click 128 MB. And the for monitor count, select that for monitor count, and then graphics controller, which is VBox SVGA, and then click for storage. Here storage, click empty and click the choose a disk file, which is open the downloaded file of your Ubuntu. And okay, here, and then after that, here at the USB, choose USB 3.0 and then click OK. Here you can see here the changes you've made their settings in USB, audio, display, storage, and can start now. Click start and wait for the Ubuntu to run. Starting virtual machine, and here click enter to okay. Here after you clicking enter, this would show you, and Ubuntu.
in installing the Ubuntu Linux, we should be patient because it takes time to install the Ubuntu Linux in our virtual machine.
At this point, you're now selecting your language and then click next. And then next. Next is select your keyboard layout and click next. Connect to the internet, but I prefer do not connect to the internet. If you prefer use wired connection or internet connection, you can choose the other ways. And click next. Here, install Ubuntu and the active installation, and the next. Choose default selection and then click next. Don't select anything here, just click next. How do you want to install Ubuntu? Erase disk and install Ubuntu. Next. So here you are now creating your account, your name, your computer's name, your username, and password. I'm gonna input my name and also my computer's name, my username, and my password. After you create your account, just click next for the next step. And here you are now choosing a location and time zone. Then click next. At this point, you are now we are going now to install the Ubuntu Linux. And click install. So at this point, while we are waiting to Ubuntu to be installed, let me explain or define what is system administration and system maintenance, and then what are the benefits of Ubuntu Linux in system administration and system maintenance. So system administration involves managing and overseeing the operation of computer systems and networks. It includes tasks such as configuring hardware and software, managing user accounts, monitoring system performance, ensuring security, and troubleshooting issues. So, system maintenance refers to the routine and ongoing task required to keep a computer system or network running smoothly. Um, This includes updating software, applying patches, performing backups, cleaning a disk, and also addressing any potential issues that could affect performance or security. So what are the benefits of Ubuntu Linux operating system in system administration and maintenance? So, Ubuntu Linux operating system offers a reliable and cost-effective solution for system administration and system maintenance, uh, making it a popular choice among IT professionals because of its flexibility. It supports a wide range of hardware and can be customized to meet various needs, from desktop environments to server configurations. Ubuntu Linux also offer a community support, a large active community, and extensive forums provide valuable resources and support, and also offers a package management. Ubuntu uses APT, which is Advanced Package Tool for managing software, which simplifies installation, updates, and removal of software packages. So, Ubuntu Linux is also a user-friendly. It has a user-friendly interface and extensive documentation, making it easier for system administrators to manage and maintain. It also offers security. Ubuntu has a strong security model, including regular security updates and a robust user permission system and built-in tools to enhance system security. At this point, we are just awaiting the Ubuntu Linux to be installed perfectly.
So at this point, Ubuntu Linux is already installed and ready to use, and we're now going to click restart now to start. At this point, we just need to press enter. At this point, you're going to open your account that was created before, and click your account and then input your password and click enter, and wait for it to be load so that you are now entering the Ubuntu Linux desktop. So we're going to change the view of our output and click full screen mode and then click switch, and we're now here. Okay, you can see here that Ubuntu is welcoming you. Welcome to Ubuntu 24.04, and then click next and skip for now. Click next. But if you wanted to click Ubuntu Pro, you can click it. And then no, don't show system data. Click next and click finish. So we're going to show apps in here and click terminal, and we can open the terminal here and input more /etc/os release to see the name, the version of Ubuntu, and also the link where we can download the Ubuntu, and also the support links or support URL and URL of privacy policy of the ubuntu.com. So thank you for watching, and that's all the steps on how to install the Ubuntu Linux in a virtual machine. At this point, we're now going to exit the full screen mode and power off the machine. So that's all. Thank you for watching on how to install the Ubuntu Linux on a virtual machine.